Hello, this is Kona back with POS Guys. Today I'll be showing you how to download Splashtop SOS for your Android device. Splashtop SOS will help your IT technicians to remote into your device. When connected, our technicians can see the screen or take control of the device and configure your app to work with the purchased hardware. So to download it, we're going to go onto the Play Store and install Splashtop SOS, and it should take a couple seconds to download. Then you want to hit open and read the text, make sure that you're going to allow for someone to remote into your device and hit the checkboxes. This lets the technician tap, scroll, type, and navigate your device remotely to troubleshoot and fix issues. Hit confirm. Then it's going to ask for accessibility activation and you want to click agree. Then it's going to take you to the settings and you're going to hit Splashtop SOS and you're going to toggle the button and hit allow. Then you're going to want to go back to the app. So we're going to go back to the app. It's going to ask to send notifications and we're going to hit allow. This lets the app alert you about session status, requests, or actions so you don't miss anything. And now you're on the main screen and the screen will show a number that you'll give your IT admin. So the IT technician will then type this code into their software to remote in. And once the IT admin enters the code that you have provided them, it's going to come up with a pop-up and you're going to want to hit the checkboxes again. This allows the app to stream your screen and audio to the technician for support. And accept. And then you want to hit start now for the recording and allow with all the notifications. This lets the app broadcast your screen to technician for real-time troubleshooting. Looks like it is connected to my device and you can disconnect whenever you want just by hitting the red disconnect button. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at POSGuys.com.